Welcome to Nutri Delights. At Nutri Delights, we're more than just a channel, we are your trusted source for in-depth insights on health, wellness, and nutrition. Our mission is to empower you to make informed choices about your well-being, backed by scientific research, proven strategies, and practical advice. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, manage chronic conditions, or explore nutrient-rich foods, Nutri Delights is your go-to resource for everything related to healthy living. Are you unknowingly putting your kidneys at risk? Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a silent epidemic that affects millions worldwide. According to shocking studies from the World Health Organization, more than 10% of adults globally suffer from kidney-related issues, many of whom are unaware of the damage being done. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste, regulating blood pressure, and maintaining overall fluid balance, making them one of the most critical organs in the body. Unfortunately, kidney problems often go unnoticed until they reach an advanced stage. Early symptoms are subtle, and it is easy to overlook warning signs. However, the good news is that there are steps you can take today to protect your kidney health. In this video, we will dive into a simple yet effective solution, protein-free calorie supplements, that can significantly improve kidney function and slow the progression of CKD. A real-life transformation, Cecil Rodriguez's story. The transformation story of Cecil Rodriguez offers hope and inspiration for those dealing with chronic kidney disease. Before adopting a vegetarian diet and incorporating vitamin B12, CoQ10, and specific kidney support supplements, Cecil's GFR, glomerular filtration rate, a key measure of kidney function, was dangerously low at 30. This level indicated severe kidney dysfunction, and doctors were concerned about the potential for kidney failure. However, by changing his diet to include nutrient-rich, plant-based foods and supplements targeted at kidney health, Cecil's GFR improved to 69 within months. This remarkable improvement showed that it's possible to significantly improve kidney function with the right dietary approach. Today, Cecil feels more energetic, experiences less fatigue, and is able to maintain an active lifestyle. His story highlights the powerful impact of making informed dietary choices and incorporating the right nutritional supplements to support kidney health. The role of protein-free supplements in kidney health. Protein-free calorie supplements like Fresubin Renal play a crucial role in supporting the health of individuals with chronic kidney disease. For those with CKD, consuming too much protein can strain the kidneys, making it harder for them to function properly. This is where protein-free supplements come into play. These products, such as Fresubin Renal, provide essential calories and micronutrients to help maintain energy levels without overwhelming the kidneys with extra protein. Fresubin Renal, a liquid nutritional supplement, is calorie-dense and low in protein. It provides a comprehensive blend of essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health while reducing the risk of complications such as anemia, muscle wasting, and bone weakness, which are common among CKD patients. By using protein-free supplements, CKD patients can protect kidney function, improve muscle mass, and strengthen bones, critical elements in enhancing their quality of life. Keto Analogues, a protein-free solution for CKD patients. Keto Analogues are another important tool in managing CKD. These supplements are nitrogen-free amino acids that help CKD patients get the essential nutrients they need without overburdening the kidneys. Since protein metabolism generates nitrogen waste that the kidneys must filter, keto analogues provide a way to maintain nutritional balance while minimizing the stress on kidney function. These supplements can be particularly beneficial for patients who already have sufficient calories in their diet but need to control their protein intake. By offering a controlled supply of essential amino acids without adding excess protein, keto analogues help prevent malnutrition, support overall nutrition, and slow the progression of kidney disease. Challenges of kidney diets. Managing protein intake. One of the most common challenges faced by individuals with CKD is managing protein intake. While a kidney-friendly diet is essential, controlling protein consumption remains difficult for many. Excessive protein intake increases the workload on the kidneys, which can accelerate the decline in kidney function. This is a crucial point for patients to understand. While protein is essential for health, too much protein can exacerbate kidney disease. To manage this, it's important for CKD patients to follow a low-protein diet, focusing on plant-based sources of protein and other kidney-friendly foods. Regular monitoring of protein intake and working closely with a healthcare provider or nutritionist is vital to ensure that the kidneys are not overloaded. Hope through nutrition. The power of proper diet. Proper nutrition is one of the most effective ways to manage chronic kidney disease and improve overall health. A well-balanced, kidney-friendly diet can help slow the progression of CKD, reduce symptoms, and improve the quality of life for patients. For instance, one patient with stage 4 kidney disease successfully improved their condition to stage 3 by reducing protein intake, incorporating low-protein foods, and consistently following a tailored nutritional plan. This case proves that with the right dietary strategy and ongoing effort, it is possible to stabilize kidney health and even improve it. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in maintaining kidney function, and when combined with the right supplements, patients can achieve positive outcomes. The FDA controversy: why red yeast rice is banned. In recent years, the FDA has made controversial decisions regarding natural supplements, including banning red yeast rice, a powerful cholesterol-lowering supplement. Red yeast rice contains monocolin K, a compound known for its ability to lower cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. However, due to its patenting by pharmaceutical companies, the FDA has classified it as an unapproved drug, limiting its availability as a natural supplement. The decision has raised concerns that the FDA may be prioritizing the interests of pharmaceutical companies over public health. In countries like Italy, red yeast rice is still available and is widely used for its health benefits. The ban on red yeast rice in the US highlights the complex interplay between natural health products, patenting, and regulatory decisions. Misleading health claims. A call for caution. In today's digital age, it's easy to come across misleading health claims, especially when it comes to diet and supplements. One controversial claim is the suggestion that fiber is harmful, despite overwhelming evidence showing that fiber is essential for digestive health, heart health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Similarly, there are unfounded claims that turmeric and other anti-inflammatory foods can be harmful, despite extensive research proving their benefits. It's important to be cautious when taking health advice from unverified sources. Always look for reliable, science-backed information and consult with healthcare professionals to ensure you're making the best choices for your health. Chronic kidney disease. The need for consistent effort. Chronic kidney disease is a progressive condition, but it doesn't have to be a life sentence. With consistent effort, proper nutrition, and the right support, it is possible to slow the disease's progression, improve kidney function, and enhance overall quality of life. Patients who make informed decisions about their diet and lifestyle choices, such as reducing protein intake and incorporating supplements, have the opportunity to live healthier lives. Staying committed to a proper nutritional plan and maintaining regular checkups with healthcare providers is crucial in managing CKD. Nutritional support, such as protein-free supplements and keto analogues, can be a game-changer in preserving kidney health. The importance of consulting healthcare professionals before making any significant dietary changes or incorporating new supplements into your routine. Always consult with a healthcare professional. Chronic kidney disease and other health conditions require a personalized approach, and what works for one person may not work for another. By working with a doctor or nutritionist, you can tailor your approach to your unique needs and ensure that the changes you make are beneficial for your health. The bottom line: protect your kidney health today. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition, but there are steps you can take to protect your kidneys and maintain good health. By making informed dietary choices, reducing protein intake, incorporating the right supplements, and staying consistent with your health plan, you can slow the progression of kidney disease and improve your overall quality of life. Remember, your kidney health is in your hands. Take control of your health today, and consult with healthcare professionals to make the best choices for your body. Thank you for joining us at Nutri Delights. Thank you for watching this video on kidney health and nutrition. We hope the information shared today has provided valuable insights into how you can protect and improve your kidney function. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health, wellness, and nutrition. Stay tuned for more content to help you live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.